I've been in the pro audio industry for about 21 years now. It's every day is a new adventure. That's the best part of it.
I've been doing pro audio for quite some time now, probably about 20 years, 15 to 20 years.
A recent trend that we've seen, of course, is the house of worship market has been on uptick. And that's great. You know, we love that they're taking good quality audio into consideration for their congregation.
Another focus is a strong push on conference rooms for these businesses and offices that are still going into the office, ways to train and still get together and also socially distance.
What I think makes a good manufacturing partner is a company that really partners up with its sales force, you know, in our case, the independent rep. You know, we all want to move forward. We all want to succeed. And I would say the company that will use us not just as their sales arm, but as an extension of their marketing programs, helping us share social media messaging.
My experience working with the Renkus-Heinz team has been nothing but amazing. They're all really great people to work with over there, very responsive. It's great. Joe Fussilo is a champion for us. He's great with trainings. He taught me how to tune rooms and how to steer the speakers, which I can't thank him for enough.
We've been working for them for coming up on 10 years, and there's just not one person in that organization that is not reachable.